Tonight, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell is rejecting critics accusing him of hypocrisy.
That's right. He continues pushing to confirm President Trump's nominee during a presidential campaign after doing just the opposite 4 years ago. Tonight, KCAL9 political reporter Tom Wade is here. And Tom, it seems as though, for the most part, his Republican Senate colleagues actually agree with his stance.
Yeah, the Republicans seem like they are on the same page, Susie. It would appear tonight that Republicans have the votes they need to confirm a new Supreme Court justice. Two senators who are being closely watched, Chuck Grassley and Cory Gardner, are both now indicating they will support a vote on the next justice, and that leaves Democrats with very few options. With Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg's Supreme Court seat now draped in black, the battle to replace her is already reaching a new phase. Key Republican senators are now indicating they are open to supporting a confirmation vote. At his rally this evening in Ohio, President Trump said this about the open seat.
I have 5 that we're vetting right now. It'll be a brilliant person. It will be a woman.
I'm just doing my constitutional obligation. I have an obligation to do this. So I would rather see it before the election.
Justice Ginsburg's death gives Mr. Trump the chance to nominate his third Supreme Court justice, which could make it a 6-3 conservative majority ahead of November 3rd, and one that would shape the court for decades.
I believe voters are going to make it clear they'll not stand for this abuse of power.
Whoever is elected should be making a decision about who sits on the United States Supreme Court, period.
Republicans are facing accusations of blatant hypocrisy for trying to confirm a new justice so close to the election. That's because back in 2016, Republicans refused to allow a vote on President Obama's pick to succeed Justice Antonin Scalia, who passed away 8 months before the election. Back then, Republican leaders said voters should determine who picks the next justice during the election.
You don't do this in an election year.
This decision ought to be made by the next president.
That was then, this is now.
The Senate has more than sufficient time to process a nomination.
President Trump has already reportedly met with one of the women who appears to be on his short list to replace Justice Ginsburg. CBS News has learned U.S. Court of Appeals Justice Amy Coney Barrett, who was at the White House today, and Barbara Lagoa are among the top 2 contenders. 48-year-old Barrett is a mother of 7 who has won over religious conservatives for having anti-abortion views.
I see no conflict between having a sincerely held faith and duties as a judge.
52-year-old Lagoa is a first-generation Cuban-American from the critical battleground state of Florida.
My family fled from a totalitarian regime.
Senate Republicans are set to meet tomorrow to strategize their next move. So far, Utah Senator Mitt Romney has not indicated whether he would support filling the seat now, but even if he did not, that would only bring the GOP defections to 3 senators. There would have to be a 4th to block confirmation. Live in the newsroom, I'm Tom Waite. Juan, back to you.
Tom, thanks.